About 10:30 a.m. on August 18th, 2024. It's been a while since we've shown an update of the ongoing construction of the future home of the U.S. Border Patrol here in Champlain, around Route 11, and looks like it might be our last one for a while until we can get permission to go inside, because the outside doesn't look like it's going to change too much in the coming days and weeks and maybe even months. Looks like they're ready to get interior work done. And it looks like they've got a big one-way glass there, where this side you're only going to see yourself, and inside they'll be looking at you on this eastern wall. We'll learn more about that as this building progresses and our access to the location changes. We'll get a few different angles on it. Work trailers are, of course, blocking a good portion of the view, so we have to kind of walk around them. I might suggest that somebody from that government crew spend 5 minutes along the roadside here and pick up this styrofoam that's blowing along the road. Not a good example to set for the rest of America. Fortunately, it just looks like one large piece of styrofoam has been broken up. And it looks like the address was going to be 613 Route 11. And this is a predominantly northern view. Looks like they got this one last section to enclose. They've had a lot of hot, humid days, smoky days. You can see the hazy sky above. It's not just potential rain clouds. There's a lot of Canadian forest fire smoke in there, and it's being blown to the east today. So as the weather and the wind continues, the clouds should be clearer as the day progresses on this August 18th. We'll go down just a few feet more and see if we can get just a slightly different angle. And this will be the northwestern view. So that'll wrap up a brief look at the ongoing construction at U.S. Border Patrol Station in Champlain. This is the August 18th edition, 2024.